Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Well, the question on everybody's mind is, are we starting to see some type of bottom yet in crude oil? That's a great question. The first thing I like to look at is the dollar index. This is what triggered the crude oil slide to the downside, and I think this is something that needs to keep, you need to keep a close eye on. You can see that on the monthly time frame, it triggered out of here, out of a squeeze, triggered hard to the upside. Now this also triggered oil to the downside. Now, global commodities are priced in dollars, so this has an effect on demand. So the more dollars that it costs, the less demand. Now, we also had an oversupply of crude with all the production that's come on in the U.S. and everything kind of hit at once, low demand in Europe and China, etc. But keep an eye on the dollar. It's still elevated, still keeping pressure on crude oil. Now, let's take a look and see what happened to crude today. Today we had the Fed meeting and we got a nice little bid to open the market, and crude popped and made a new high today up to $59. So it was looking pretty good there for a while, but there was no commitment and fall through to this move, and you can see as the day progressed it fell back into the 618. Now, strong market, it should have held at least that 382 retracement, maybe even down to the 50, but that's not a very good close. So that's not a sign of real strength yet or commitment to crude oil for right now. So the next question is to ask yourself, okay, then where can crude oil go? Well, right here, this is based on Fibonacci price work, but it potentially can go down to, easily could go down here to $42, $43. Now, this is based off of this prior high here in May of 2011 to that low and measuring this move from the prior high. And you can see it's exceeded through that move at $69, went through the 1272, and now it's potentially headed to this 1618. Now you could get a short covering rally in it, but there's still potential for it to move down here and see if it holds in this area. But right now, crude is still not getting that follow through that it really needs, and until we see that, it's not a time to really jump in heavily into crude. But I do like a couple other things. I do like some of the oil companies, and I'll show you one that I do like and for trade. Now, I do like the looks of EOG, and I'm willing to take some risk on EOG using option spreads. So this is based on my trading model. This is what we call cycle low. Cycle 3's up, cycle 1 and cycle 2's up, so we have momentum. It closed today above that 21 EMA exponential moving average, and it's right into the 386 retracement. So if we can hold in here, consolidate a little bit more, then I think there's a high probability that we can get right back to that 618, start retesting that at 95. So this is one that I'm willing to take some risk on, and I do this through using option spreads. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the crude oil markets and how to trade them, I'm going to be doing a really great workshop this Saturday, December 20th, and let me show you those details. You can also sign up on this email registration link that you'll see, so go ahead and sign up, and that's this Saturday, the 20th of December, and I'll show you some details now. So I'm doing a live workshop. It's Saturday, this Saturday, December 20th. Starts at 11 a.m. Go to 3 p.m. Eastern, or as long as it takes. It's a live workshop, but everything will be recorded, broken down in 30-minute modules. You'll get the whole PowerPoint, which is a trading manual. You'll get my oil swing trading rule handout, and you'll also get my 105-page Power Cycle trading manual and 6 videos on how to use our trading system to navigate the energy markets. So it's going to be a great course. I've been doing this a long time, so I've got a lot of secrets that I'm going to pass on to those that show up Saturday for this course. Now, you'll also get a follow-up, 4 follow-up coaching sessions, live coaching sessions that will go over the crude markets, and so you can stay on top of what's going on with the trades there. So join me this Saturday, December 20th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and sign up on this registration link provided to you on this email.